Hello student, I Suman Kumar Misra, teacher of maths in DAVCCL grade A. Today I am going to start the chapter profit, loss and discount. First of all, student, we have to know what is cost price and selling price. So cost price at which an article is purchased called cost price, and price at which an article is sold is called selling price. Now what is profit and what is loss? When selling price is more than cost price, then profit is made. Yani profit is equal to SP minus CP. And when CP is more than SP, means cost price is more than selling price, then loss is made, and then loss is equal to CP minus SP. Now profit percent is equal to profit by CP into 100, and loss percent is equal to loss by CP into 100. In case of profit, SP is equal to 100 plus profit percent by 100 into CP, and CP is equal to 100 into SP by 100 plus profit percent. In case of loss, SP is equal to 100 minus loss percent by 100 into CP, and CP is equal to 100 into SP by 100 minus loss percent. Yani CP is equal to 100 into SP by 100 minus loss percent. Now we have one question. Ankit sold 2 jeans for 990 each. On one he gains 10% and on the other he lost 10%. Find gain or loss percent in the whole transaction. So for first jeans, SP is equal to rupees 990. Gain is equal to 10%. So CP is equal to, so we know 100 into SP by 100 plus gain percent. So 100 into 990 by 100 plus 10 means 100 into 990 by 110. 9s are, it means rupees 900. For second jeans, SP is equal to rupees 990 and loss is here 10%. Then CP is equal to 100 into SP by 100 minus loss percent, means 100 into 990 by 100 minus 10. 100 into 990 by 90, cancel 11, means rupees 1100. So total CP is equal to 900 plus 1100 means rupees 2000, and total SP is equal to 990 plus 990, 1980. So here we see that CP is more than SP, so loss is made, and the loss is equal to CP minus SP. So 2000 minus 1980 means rupees 20, and the loss percent, loss by CP into 100 means 20 by 2000 into 100, 2021 means 1%. Next question. By selling 35 greeting cards, a shopkeeper loses an amount equal to the selling price of 5 greeting cards. Find his loss percent. So let SP of each greeting card be rupee 1. Then SP of 35 greeting cards, 35 into 1 rupees means rupees 35. Loss is equal to SP of 5 greeting cards means 5 into 1 rupees 5. CP is equal to SP plus loss means 35 plus 5 is equal to rupees 40. Find the loss percent. Loss percent is equal to loss by CP into 100 means 5 by equal to 5 by 40 into 100. So 1 0 cancel. 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. It means 25 by 2% means 12 1 by 2%. अभी यहाँ फोटो में इक्वल टू 5 by 40 into 100. तो 1 0 cancel. 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. It means 25 by 2% means 12 1 by 2%. Now student, we have to know about mart price and discount. In big shops and department stores, every item is tagged with a card and its price is written on it, which is called mart price or list price. In order to increase the sale or clean the old stock, sometimes shopkeeper offers certain percentage of rebate on the MP, which is called discount. Now discount is equal to MP minus selling price, means mart price minus selling price is discount. Discount percent is equal to discount by MP into 100. In case of MP, discount is equal to MP into discount percent by 100, and SP is equal to MP into 100 minus discount percent divided by 100, and MP is equal to 100 into SP by 100 minus discount percent. Here we have some formula for finding MP, SP, discount, etc. Now we have one question. Find mart price of a washing machine which is sold at rupees 8400 after allowing a discount of 16%. Here we have to find mart price. So MP is equal to, we know that SP into 100 by 100 minus discount percent. So SP is here 8400 into 100 by 100 minus 16. So means 8400 into 100 by 84 cancelled, 100 rupees 10,000. Another question. The mart price of a double bed is rupees 9,575. A shopkeeper allows a discount of 12% on its mart price and still gains 10%. Find cost price of the double bed. Here MP mart price is given, discount percent also be given, gain percent also be given, and here we have to find cost price. So first of all we will find here selling price. So SP is equal to MP into 100 minus discount percent by 100 is equal to 9575 into 100 minus 12 by 100 means 9575 into 88 by 100, 25 4 is 100, 25 3 is 75, carry 20 and 207, 28 is 200 and 23 is 75, 422 is. Now 333 into 22 is equal to 8426. Now this one is selling price. Now we have to find cost price. CP is equal to 100 into SP by 100 plus gain percent. Here gain percent is also be given. So 100 into 8426 by 100 plus 10 means 100 into 8426 by 110. 0 0 cancel. 11 7 is 77, 11 6 is 66 and 11 6 means rupees 700, 7660 rupees 7660. Thank you children.